Here we have two Henry vacuum cleaners, and both of these have been in this week for repair, both from separate customers, but both of them for sucking up water, and it killed them. And it got me wondering, why do people do this with Henry a lot and don't do it with other brands like Dyson and stuff? So I thought I'd get your opinion on it too. If you've got an opinion on this, please put it in the comments. So they're cleaning up stuff like blocked showers, blocked toilets I've even had from university students. They're sucking up anything they like. Now, they wouldn't do this if I passed them a Dyson. They'd be worried about getting electrocuted or the Dyson breaking. So why do it with a Henry? And I wondered, is it because he's got a 2-meter hose? So when he goes kaboom, is at the other side of the room and you're not going to get hurt? Or is it because he looks a bit like George or Charles and they've seen people use that for wet stuff? I don't know about that myself. I think, honestly, half of it is people have tried it before with a small cup of water or something and kind of got away with it, sadly. And then the next time they come to use it for a bigger spill, kaboom, it all goes wrong. Now, I'm wondering if they should be putting stickers on these things from the factory, because if you bought a really old Henry back in the day, it would say for dry use only on it. So should we reintroduce those stickers, so to speak? Or are we talking to people that would probably just ignore them stickers anyway? Are these the kind of stickers that we have under car bonnets telling you not to put your fingers in, and them little silicone packs telling you not to eat them? Is it just a total waste of time? Are the people that do that kind of thing that interested in listening anyway? I'd love to get your opinion on this, so please put it in the comments. No real reason why, other than I'm just interested, because I'm at a loss. I don't know why you'd mix water and electronics and think you're going to get away with it. Also, if you're a fan of this channel, I do have a big Henry Hoover video coming up, perhaps in a couple of months' time, so keep an eye out for that. And if you love the sound of my voice that much, I've also started another channel, just as a bit of fun, away from the world of vacuum cleaners. Please take a look at that now, subscribe to that too. I'd love your support.